Welcome to our video on the 7 incredible vitamins for nerve damage repair. In this video, we'll show you how vitamins can help you repair nerve damage. Living with nerve damage is an unpleasant and often painful experience that impacts your quality of life. It can result in numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, or even paralysis. You may also experience chronic pain as a result of damaged nerves that are unable to send signals properly throughout your body. If the nerve damage is severe enough, your ability to perform everyday tasks like walking or writing may be impaired. Nerve damage occurs when communication between the brain and other parts of the body is disrupted due to an injury or illness such as diabetes or multiple sclerosis, MS. When myelin, the protective coating around nerves, is damaged, it causes nerves to malfunction and misfire signals, resulting in pain and other symptoms. But did you know that some vitamins have been found to be beneficial in the repair of nerve damage? We'll get into each of them later. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more people. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, let's start our countdown with vitamin B12. Number 7, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve cell metabolism. It aids in the production of myelin, which acts as insulation around nerves. Vitamin B12 can help protect against oxidative stress and improve symptoms of peripheral neuropathy and other types of nerve damage. Nerve cells are necessary for our bodies to function. They allow us to move, feel sensations, think, and remember. Unfortunately, these delicate cells can be harmed by a number of factors, including injury or illness. Fortunately, there is evidence that vitamin B12 may aid in the repair of this type of damage. Vitamin B12 is required for the metabolism and upkeep of healthy nerve cells. Without enough vitamin B12 in our bodies, these cells struggle to function properly, resulting in issues such as memory loss or difficulty with motor control or movement. Vitamin B12 contributes to this by assisting in the formation of myelin, a fatty substance that acts as insulation around the nerves, allowing them to transmit electrical signals efficiently between different parts of the body. Myelin sheets also protect against oxidative stress, which occurs when molecules known as free radicals are produced naturally by certain bodily processes but are not properly balanced out, causing significant damage on their own. Myelin's layer helps prevent oxidation from damaging sensitive neural tissue beneath it. So ensuring adequate levels of vitamin B12 are available will provide your nervous system with some extra protection against such deterioration. Furthermore, research suggests that sufficient amounts could potentially improve symptoms associated with conditions such as peripheral neuropathy, a type of nerve damage most commonly caused by diabetes or vascular diseases but can also be triggered by chemotherapy treatments or exposure to certain toxins. So, if you are suffering from any kind of neurological condition, it is a great idea to get plenty of vitamin B12 to maximize your chances of fully recovering without resorting to medications or more serious interventions further down the line. By doing so, you're giving yourself the best chance of resolving any current issues and preventing new ones from arising. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include beef, salmon, tuna, clams, oysters, sardines, mackerel, enriched nutritional yeast, milk, cheese, butter, and eggs. Number 6, vitamin E. Next on our list is vitamin E. Vitamin E helps the immune system fight infections that can harm nerve cells and tissues. It is an antioxidant, which means it reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in areas with nerve damage. It has also been shown to help protect neurons or nerve cells from toxic substances. Research has shown that vitamin E can improve the function of nerves damaged by a stroke or peripheral neuropathy. Nerve cell injury occurs when there is a breakdown in communication between neurons, resulting in symptoms such as loss of physical sensation and movement control. Fortunately, research has discovered several ways in which vitamin E may be able to help reduce the effects of both acute and chronic neurological impairments. Vitamin E has the ability to support a healthy immune system response against harmful bacteria or viruses that could cause additional harm to those with neural injuries. Scientific studies have shown that high levels of naturally occurring antioxidants like vitamin E can help heal injured connective tissues that surround the neural pathways responsible for motor function regulation. It reduces swelling and boosts immunity in patients with neurodegenerative diseases, including ALS and MS. Holistic benefits of vitamin E. Vitamin E in the bloodstream protects against irreparable damage and accelerates healing, allowing for faster recoveries. Vitamin E is present in foods such as sunflower seeds, almonds, avocado, spinach, Swiss chard, turnip leaves, mustard greens, broccoli, and red peppers. Number 5. Alpha-lipoic acid. Moving on to our countdown is alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA for short, is a naturally occurring compound found in a variety of foods, including spinach and broccoli. Because ALA has strong antioxidant properties, it can help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. ALA may reduce inflammation and improve nerve function by neutralizing free radicals, making it a promising treatment option for those suffering from diabetes-related neuropathy, a type of nerve damage that commonly affects diabetics. Furthermore, due to its anti-inflammatory effects on the nervous system, research suggests that taking ALA supplements could potentially repair existing damaged nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid works by assisting your body in producing energy more efficiently at the cellular level. When taken orally or intravenously, ALA aids in the conversion of glucose into ATP molecules, which are then used as the primary source of energy production in your body. Holistic benefits of alpha-lipoic acid. When combined with other lifestyle changes such as exercise or dietary changes, ALA can help improve overall cell functioning, including improved circulation, normalized hormone levels, lowered blood pressure, and improved cholesterol levels. Furthermore, taking alpha-lipoic acid supplements increases glutathione, an important detoxifying agent produced by our bodies, which supports healthy circulatory systems and leads to improved well-being over time. Research suggests that consuming ALA helps limit nitric oxide production while increasing nitric oxide synthase activity. This helps improve vascular reactivity and lowers the risk factors associated with high blood pressure and stroke. ALA also has an effect on neurological functions due to its antioxidant properties against harmful toxins known as reactive oxygen species or ROS. ROS causes inflammatory responses that are linked to mental diseases such as depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. Research shows that ALA protects against radical oxidation-related damage, lowering degenerative brain disease severity and onset age. Additional studies suggest that ALA supplementation lowers systemic inflammation after trauma, letting nerves repair without scarring and restoring synaptic communication channels that drive motor skill development in major accident survivors. Furthermore, clinical trials show that regular supplementation maintains healthy insulin sensitivity, improving metabolic control and alleviating chronic pain in diabetics suffering from neuropathic symptoms such as burning feet syndrome, which causes numbness around the extremities after long periods of hyperglycemia exposure. Overall, alpha-lipoic acids have several promising therapeutic advantages in both physical and psychological domains, offering alternative holistic ways to treat life-altering illnesses without relying entirely on drugs, giving hope to those with otherwise terrible conditions. Alpha-lipoic acid is abundant in raspberries, spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, walnuts, wheat germ, avocado, and peas. Number 4. Thiamine, vitamin B1. Next on our list is thiamine. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Thiamine is an antioxidant and fat-soluble form of vitamin B1. It helps to protect cells from the damaging effects of high blood sugar levels, oxidative stress, and inflammation. It has been used as a supplement to treat diabetes-related nerve pain, inflammation in diabetic kidney disease, eye problems related to diabetes, and more. A study published in the Neuroscience journal found that daily administration of thiamine for 12 weeks helped reduce neuropathic pain and improve nerve conduction velocity, NCV, in patients with diabetic polyneuropathy. Additionally, a meta-analysis conducted by researchers at the University of Illinois concluded that thiamine supplementation was associated with improved NCV and reduced diabetic peripheral neuropathy symptoms. Thiamine has been shown to help reduce nerve damage caused by high levels of glucose in the blood. It does this by inhibiting certain enzymes that can cause oxidative damage to nerves, resulting in neuropathy. Additionally, thiamine may help protect the cells from advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are created when sugar binds with proteins and lipids and accumulates in tissues. This accumulation is thought to contribute to diabetic neuropathy, so reducing AGEs could also be beneficial for nerve health. Thiamine also helps reduce inflammation induced by injury or disease in the nervous system by lowering inflammation around injured nerves. Its high antioxidant activity protects cells from oxidative stress induced by free radical generation during neural tissue repair, minimizing reactive oxygen species damage, ROS. Thiamine may also help increase blood supply in small vessels throughout our bodies, including capillaries that supply vital organs with oxygenated blood. This improved circulation brings much-needed nourishment directly into injured areas, which speeds up metabolic waste removal during cell regeneration. Foods rich in thiamine include pork, beef, chicken, and other meats, whole grains such as wheat germ and bran flakes. Legumes including chickpeas, beans, and lentils, nuts like pistachios and sunflower seeds, fish such as salmon or tuna, and dark leafy green vegetables like spinach or kale. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Moving on to our list is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to help repair and protect nerve cells, leading to improved nerve function. Studies suggest that these fatty acids can reduce inflammation in the body, which is often associated with nerve damage. According to the Neurology Journal 2005, omega-3 fatty acid supplementation improves nerve conduction velocity and reduces inflammation in chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. Omega-3s also provide essential building blocks for cell membranes, allowing damaged nerves to heal more quickly. Additionally, omega-3s are known to play a role in supporting healthy brain development as well as helping maintain normal neurological function throughout life. The 2011 Molecular Nutrition and Food Research studied the protective effects of omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids on peripheral nerve myelin repair. Myelin is a protective coating that insulates nerves and helps facilitate their proper functioning. The study found that taking omega-3 as a supplement can help myelin heal faster after an injury, which makes neurons work better. This research could have implications for understanding and treating illnesses such as multiple sclerosis, diabetic neuropathy, and traumatic injuries to the central nervous system. Similarly, the 2017 clinical rehabilitation study examined the effects of omega-3 supplementation on neurological function in patients with traumatic brain injury, TBI. Traumatic brain injury is one of the leading causes of death and disability in the United States. 50 participants were randomized into 2 groups, and neurological functioning was assessed using a variety of tests. Results showed that individuals who took omega-3 had significantly greater improvements than those receiving a placebo. These results suggest that daily supplementation with 1 gram per day of omega-3 over a 10-week period may improve neurological functioning among individuals with TBIs. Omega-3 rich foods include salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds. Number 2. Magnesium sulfate. Next on our list is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is a mineral that is found in the body, and it helps the nerves work in a number of ways. It protects nerves from damage caused by reactive oxygen species, ROS, which can lead to oxidative stress. Magnesium sulfate can also help calm you down and relax your nerves, which could be helpful for people with anxiety or sleep problems. It has been shown to help reduce muscle spasms caused by epilepsy, other seizure disorders, and electrolyte imbalances like magnesium deficiency. Magnesium sulfate is an important part of neural transmission because it improves blood flow throughout the nervous system. This makes it possible for more electrical signals to travel along neuron pathways more quickly. Lastly, magnesium sulfate works as an anti-inflammatory agent, which could reduce swelling in places where nerves have been hurt or damaged by direct trauma or overwork. Research shows that magnesium sulfate may help treat peripheral neuropathy, a type of nerve pain that is often caused by diabetes or chemotherapy, but there is no evidence to suggest it can actually repair the underlying damage. In general, magnesium may help protect the nervous system from oxidative stress and promote neurogenesis, or the growth of new neurons. It can also help reduce excitotoxicity and may help lessen the pain caused by nerve damage. Overall, magnesium sulfate has also shown promise in reducing inflammation and improving neurological symptoms. Foods that are rich in magnesium sulfate include wheat bran, oatmeal, buckwheat flour, brown rice, almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. Legumes such as lentils and black beans also contain high levels of magnesium sulfate. Number 1. Curcumin. Finally, let's move on to our top pick, curcumin. Curcumin is a component of the spice turmeric, which has many health benefits. It is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against nerve damage and other damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that curcumin can also help reduce inflammation in the body, improve cognitive function, and boost the immune system. It also helps in wound healing and promotes healthy aging. Curcumin may also make nerve damage less painful and reduce inflammation and pain. Studies on animals have shown that curcumin can help reduce the number of cases of peripheral neuropathy, a type of nerve disorder that can cause tingling or weakness in the arms and legs. Also, some research on humans suggests that taking high doses of curcumin over a long period of time might help with diabetic neuropathy. One study published in Neurochemical Research found that curcumin treatment helped protect neurons from cell death caused by oxidative stress. It can also reduce or even reverse some types of nerve damage caused by diseases like Alzheimer's. In another study, researchers found that taking curcumin by mouth could help a lot with sciatic nerve injury pain by blocking inflammation pathways. When it comes to wounds, a study done on animals by researchers at Tufts University School of Medicine showed that a 0.5% solution containing turmeric extract helped the skin heal faster. It promotes collagen deposition, which is a key structural part of normal tissue repair. In addition to turmeric, other foods that are high in curcumin include ginger, cumin, mustard seeds, black pepper, and chili peppers. Conclusion. So there you have it, 7 incredible vitamins and compounds that can help repair nerve damage. Do you know of other vitamins or compounds that can help with nerve damage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you leave, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, click that notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Thanks for watching, and have a healthy and happy day.